morning student. Okay, this is the class for 8th standard, subject social, and topic name is money, saving and investment. Okay, well, in previous class we have already seen what is meaning of investment and black money and effect of black money and act passed against black money. Okay, well, today we are going to see about history of metallic money. Okay, well, what is the history of metallic money? Okay, first the precious metals called gold, silver, bronze used in metallic money. Metallic money is nothing but these are the metal they used for minting coins. Okay, mint means produced coins. Okay, next, so from these gold, silver, bronze they used as a metallic money. Okay, and this is and also in coins they are different of denomination means different type of coins they introduce. Okay, why means easily divisible and convenient in making money. Okay, but why they introduce different type of coins means in order to divisible easier separate பண்றது ஈஸியா இருக்கும் அதுக்காகவும் and அதே மாதிரி convenient in making payment. Okay, payment பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கிறதுக்காக தான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க different denomination they introduced in coins. And Herodotus, okay, Herodotus called the father of history. Okay, called as a father of history. According to the ancient historian Herodotus, according to him, King of Medas of Lydia. Okay, Lydia is a place in Greece. Okay, Lydia is a place in Greece. According to Herodotus, King of Midas, okay, innovated metal coins in 18th century BC. Okay, according to this historian, he is telling that King of Midas only innovated metal coins. Okay, in the 8th century. Okay, he only the person introduced the metal coins. Okay, in 8th century. But gold coins in use many centuries than in Lydia. Okay, what they are telling means but okay, he is telling that before King of Midas introduced metal coins, the gold coins already exist in India. Okay, King of Midas introduce பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியே gold coins எங்க எக்ஸிஸ்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு, இந்தியால எக்ஸிஸ்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி யூஸ்ல தான் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க gold coins. Okay, next, first time Indian coins were minted in 6th century BC. Okay, 6th century and by Mahajanapadas known as Puranas and Kashyapanas or Panas. Okay, so first time who minted the coin means Mahajanapadas, also known as Puranas, and Kashyapanas or Panas. Okay, next, after this Mauryan came up with the punched mark coins minted silver, gold and copper or lead. Okay, after that who is coming to minting means okay, he Mauryans came up with the punched mark coins. Punched means on the coin they will inscribe anything. Okay, punched means they will punch anything on the coins. Okay, and they are producing, mint means producing or manufacturing coins. Okay, in silver, gold, copper or lead. Next, Indo-Greek Kushan king introduced Greek customs of engraving portraits on the coins. Okay, so here engraving portraits means the picture of the ruler. Okay, okay, so after that the Indo-Greek Kushan kings, okay, he is also introducing coins. On the coins they will print, okay, they will mint the ruler of the king. Okay, the pictures of the ruler of the king. Pictures mean and the country yaar rule பண்றாங்களோ அந்த country ஓட ruler ஓட king ஓட picture வந்து இதுல இருக்கும், அந்த coin மேல இருக்கும். Okay, that is called engraving portraits on the coins. Okay, and the ruler இந்த கிங்கோட பிக்சர் வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருப்பாங்க அந்த காயின்ல மெயின் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா, so next Turkish Sultan of Delhi. Okay, after that who is coming mean Turkish Sultan of Delhi replaced the royal design of Indian king. ஓகேவா, so Indian kings introduce பண்ண அந்த ராயல் இதெல்லாம் ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணனது அதெல்லாம் டெலீட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு பதிலாக he is also introducing another style of design. ஓகேவா, Islamic calligraphy 12th century. ஓகேவா, so this Sultan, ஓகேவா, Turkish Sultan replaced the royal design of Indian king. ஓகேவா, Indian king introduce பண்ண அந்த டிசைன்ஸ்ல ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு எந்த டிசைனை கொண்டு வராரு, Islamic calligraphy. ஓகேவா, இஸ்லாமிக் ஸ்டைல்ல இருக்கிற அந்த calligraphy ஆல்ரெடி know this. ஓகேவா, letters. ஓகேவா, the Islamic letters he is engraving on the coins. Okay, in 12th century AD. Next, the currency of gold, silver, copper. Okay, the currency is made up of gold, silver, copper, known as tanka. Okay, and the gold, silver, copper panna coins வந்து எப்படி கூப்பிடுறாங்கன்னா tanka. Okay, next lower value coin. Okay, the least value coins known as jittels. Okay, அந்த மாதிரி ரொம்ப விலை கம்மியா இருக்க coins வந்து எப்படி சொல்றாங்கன்னா jittels ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, jittels. Next, Mughal Empire introduced monetary system in the entire empire from 1526. Okay, after that Mughal Empire is coming. Okay, he is introducing monetary means நாணய அமைப்பு முறையை கொண்டு வராரு. Okay, எந்த செஞ்சுரியில எந்த இயர்ல 1526ல he is introducing. Okay, next we already know that the Mughal Empire introduced monetary system. Okay, a system of from the ruling empire. Okay, from the country. Okay, from 1526 AD. This era is called as a devaluation of rupee. Okay, so after that the Shershah Suri. Okay, he is the ruler of the Sur dynasty. Okay, and defeated Humayun, and he also introduced and Shershah introduced silver coins in 178 grams and known as rupee. Okay, so after that Shershah is introducing silver coins. Okay, with a weight of 178 grams known as rupee. Okay, after that he is divided from 178 grams. He is divided 40 copper pieces. Okay, and also known as paisa. Okay, இதுல இருந்து copper 40 copper pieces வந்து divide பண்றாங்க. That is known as paisa. Okay, next. Okay, after that the Mughal Empire, the Mughal silver coin remained in use. Okay, till 1770 AD. Okay, after that the British East India came to our country. Okay, in 1600 they will came to our country. Okay, so after that the Mughal Empire gave permission to the British. Okay, his Mughal Empire giving permission to the Britishers to make coins, to make a Mughal money. Okay, so what he wanted to try means when East India came to our country, the Mughal Empire giving permission to Britishers. Okay, British people. Okay, to Britishers to make Mughal money. Okay, Mughal money வந்து அவங்க நாட்டு கண்ட்ரியை அவங்க வந்து கண்ட்ரி காயினை தயாரிக்கிறதுக்கு பிரிட்டிஷ்க்கு பெர்மிஷன் கொடுக்குறாரு யாரு முகல் எம்பையர். ஓகேவா, அட் பாம்பே மின்ட். ஓகேவா, ஸோ வேர் தே ஆர் மேக்கிங் மீன்ஸ் அட் பாம்பே ஒன்லி தே ஆர் மேக்கிங் காயின்ஸ், முகல் மணி தே ஆர் மேக்கிங். Okay, next the British gold coins also known as Carolina. Okay, gold coins they given the names as Carolina, and silver coins they known as Angelina. Okay, and copper coins Cooperoons. Okay, they named as they given as Cooper room. Okay, tin coins tinny they are called. Okay, next in do you know bag I'm going to explain all the do you know bags. Okay, next the Indian rupee symbol. Okay, the Indian rupee symbol designed by Mr. Uday Kumar, and also it is from Viluppuram district in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so this symbol is approved by the government of India on 15th July 2010. Okay, next topic is inflation. Inflation means prices are rising value of money. Okay, so the ROR goes up. Okay, that is called inflation. Okay, that means the price value is rising. Price values are rising. That is called as a inflation. And deflation means prices are falling value of money. Okay, the prices will be the ROR comes down. That is known as inflation. Okay, the prices are coming down. Okay, next topic is comparison of savings and investments. Okay, first we are going to compare savings and investments. Okay, meanings. First meaning, savings, part of the person's income which is not used for consumption. Okay, so from the income we will deposit some amounts for our future requirement. That is called saving. Okay, here investment means refers the process of investing funds in capital assets view to generate returns. Okay, here we will input something. Okay, our money in order to get in double. Okay, that is called investment. Here purpose. Okay, what is the purpose of saving? Made to fulfill the short term or urgent requirements. Okay, so we will keep our amount for savings. Why we are save our money means in in order to fulfill our short term requirements. ஓகேவா, அந்த குறுகிய காலத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த தேவைகளை பூர்த்தி செய்யறதுக்காகவும் அதே மாதிரி if it is any urgent means we can take the amount from our savings. That is called that is the purpose of the saving. Next here, purpose of investment means provide returns and help in capital formation. Okay, so if we put investment in anything, we can get it in return in doublement. Okay, that is the purpose of investment. Next, risk. It is here if we take savings means here the risk will be low and negligible. Negligible means we can able to neglect. நம்மளே வந்து நெக்லெக்ட் பண்ணக்கூடிய அளவுல தான் அந்த ரிஸ்க் இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஹியர் வெரி ஹை ரிஸ்க். ஓகேவா, the investment money it can be lost. ஓகேவா, or it can be written in double. ஓகேவா, அதற்கு ரிஸ்க் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்னா நம்ம இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் பண்ண அமௌண்ட்டை விட அதிகமாகவும் இருக்கும், அதே மாதிரி லாஸும் அதோட டபுள் மடங்காகவும் இருக்கும். that is why the investment will be the risk will be very very high here. Okay, next returns. There is no return or less. Okay, we can get the amount with a less. Okay, what amounts we can put it in saving, that amount only we can get it return. Okay, that is why here no or less. Okay, comparatively very high. Here investment means very very comparative. இதோட கம்பேர் பண்றப்ப அது ரொம்ப ஹையா இருக்கும் அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா, and returns and liquidity means நீர்மை நிறை. ஓகேவா, here we can easily get the cash amount. Okay, from savings. Okay, but in investment it is less liquidity. Okay, and the deposit money or investment money we cannot able to get it easily. Okay, if it is in the share market, the share will be go down, otherwise the share will be go high. Okay, according to this current situation we can tell it. Okay, that is why these are the comparison of savings and money. Thank you, students.